Hey, 2008 Acura Mdx 3.7. Taking the timing belt off calls for 3.3 hours. Removing the water pump along with it calls for an extra 0.5. Here's a brief description of what we've done. Okay, as you already know, if you're a do-it-yourselfer, you're going to have to take off the serpentine belt, the serpentine belt tensioner, and all the other accessories that go in front of the timing belt. We have the upper timing belt cover off, the rear timing belt cover off, the lower timing belt cover off, and then we remove the mount bracket that holds the engine up. I skipped over taking the harmonic balancer off. There's a special socket for the harmonic balancer. It's a 19mm socket. I'll see if I can get a video here for you. Okay, this is the socket. As you can see, you will need a decent impact. Okay, we have the lower timing mark here on the crank, which is marked in white, lined up with the engine. And we'll go to the top where we see the camshafts lined up. Okay, now I'm trying to give you guys a place to pause it and see what you need to see, which is what is removed and how everything looks. Remember, top dead center it first before you remove the timing belt, before you remove the water pump, before you remove before you remove the timing belt, tensioner, idler, anything. Line the motor up to top dead center first.